So I got this model from my friends Kendra and Decker, who started authentic relating stuff, the Authentic Man program years ago. And there's a whole other, where's my? Yeah. They call it Composure. So collapse looks like, from the outside, a lack of confidence. Posturing looks like overly confident. But with composure, I wouldn't even use confidence as a word. I'd just say somebody who's composed is very comfortable in their own skin. The people who are collapsing, the secret agenda they have is hustling for love and approval. Like me is the mantra. For people who are posturing, it's more like value me, respect me. Yeah? But somebody who's composed is not hustling for those things, has those needs met. I think of, the person who I think of often for composure is Jane Goodall. I had a chance to meet her a number of times. And she was one of those people, when she walked into a room, ooh, everything suddenly geared down. She had this aura about her. Bless her, you know. And you can probably think of people in your own life who are so centered in themselves. They don't lean on you, but they're just walking beautifully through the world. You know, being beautiful on the way to the answer is the answer. And these people are being beautiful in the way they go. This is where the answer is. This is the trap. But then wait, Tad, you left out a piece, the artist and the entrepreneur. Well, and you didn't draw the dividing line. That's because in this third column, the artist and the entrepreneur get married. Yeah? And your business is the child of that marriage. Their marriage is what gives fertility to your business. And this is not an easy marriage. I mean, this is a proper Mars and Venus situation. You know? They're different. They have different temperaments, and it never goes away. So we stop expecting it to be easy, because it never gets easy. But it does get beautiful if you can marry these two parts of yourself. And of course, if you're going to have the child of your business by the marriage of these two, it takes a village to raise a child. So you're going to need some other people too, like the engineers and the designers, yeah, the architects, the salespeople, the hustlers. There's other roles you need beyond these two. So you may need a team. You may need other people at a certain point. But as long as we're playing in here, it's just a dead end. That's what I'm suggesting. The thing that keeps us in here is there's just unhealed wounds and trauma. Again, this isn't my work. I'm lifting it up as something that could be addressed, but probably not by me. Better by many of you in this room. I would just say, over to you, you know.